Welcome back to the channel. My friends from WisuAlarm sent me a new smoke alarm kit with a gateway, and today we're unboxing it and testing it out. Just to get this out of the way, I'm not getting paid to make this video, and I can give my honest opinion about this product. When we open the box, we see some manuals. One for the smoke alarms and one for the gateway. Some mounting screws and plugs. A power adapter and a USB-C cable. And something I really liked, double-sided stickers to stick the smoke alarms on places where you don't want to drill holes. About the smoke alarm itself, it's smaller than the previous one I reviewed, and I like this design better. Also, there's no pull tab on the battery, and that surprised me. Later on we'll find out how to activate the battery. And while we're talking about the battery, it's built in, it's non-replaceable, and it lasts for about 10 years. And here we have the gateway. It's a nice form factor. You can hide it away everywhere as long as the Wi-Fi signal is good. We are going to install the gateway and the app now. I'm not going in depth about the smoke alarms. You can find all the information you need on their website. We already know that the quality of the smoke alarms is good. And I don't think I have to explain that every home needs one or more smoke alarms. Here we take the right manual. When you open the manual, there is a QR code to install the app. As far as I can see, there are no in-app purchases. It's completely free, you only have to register. It starts in the native language, so I'll translate it for you. We're going to register. We have to find our country, it's the Netherlands, and then we have to put in our email. After this you will get a verification code and you fill that in. Now you make up a password and you will fill that in. In my case, I don't think so. Don't forget to confirm that you have read the user agreement. And then the account is created and you can log in. This part is important, I will show you later, but you have to allow that WisuAlarm can send you notifications. Now I'm setting the app to English, so you can all read with me now. Now we have the app installed, we have an account created. Now let's add a device. We want to scan a QR code. Let's turn the gateway upside down and scan the QR code. Up to now it's pretty straightforward. Only mistake I made is I put a LAN cable in, and this interferes with the connection of the Wi-Fi. You'll see that later on. We need to press the pairing button 4 times to initiate the pairing mode. It flashes. We're going to do the Wi-Fi password. Idiot proof. Here. As you can see in the video, the LAN cable is already out. It failed a few times before I realized that was the problem. It's going to connect.
Wi-Fi connected.
Wi-Fi is connected. I removed the normal LAN cable. Maybe that was the problem. This is a 2.4 gigahertz network, especially for IoT devices. So that should not be the problem. Okay, let's
Cloud server connection failed.
try it again. Connect. Oh, second floor, excellent. Okay, let's try again. There we go. Let's add detector. There we go. Green LED is flashing. Now let's see what we have. I contacted WisuAlarm. The S05R8 is not yet available in the app, so you can choose the SA48. I think it's this one. Alright. Device, smoke detector 1. There we go, room configuration. Let's do there we go. Office. Next, rotate the mounting plate clockwise. Now press that one 3 times. Yep, and there we go. If you look closely, the green light wasn't flashing anymore, so I had to restart the pairing mode. There we go. There we go. That's the first one. Continue adding. This one has been added. Now let's add this one. Blinking. This one. Hallway. Oh. Capital. There we go. Next, put this ring on. Connect it. It's connected. Then we do 1, 2, 3. Blinking. Interconnecting. And that's it. This way we can add all 5. Save. So we have them all. Good. We can see Wi-Fi connection is good. And location all. Here we go. Test it. Now do a manual test to see what it sounds like. Alright. The test is loud, nice. Here we can see they're all online. Let's see, alarm message. Oh, this is nice. We can do an alarm message. No alarm messages already. It's device normal battery. It's fine. Oh, we can do anything. We can also do remote testing. Note test. So we can remotely test it. Oh, that's it. Really nice. We stopped it. Okay. If we scroll through the app, we can see all the information of the smoke alarms. We can see serial numbers and device IDs. You can see past messages, past alarms, everything. I think we can all agree on that if you use this app for about 10 years, the best outcome is that you don't have any alarm messages in here. But since we do want one, let's try and trigger the alarm. I use my soldering iron to create smoke. Now that the first device is triggered, the gateway will get notified. I get a message on my Apple Watch and the second device will start to beep as well. You can cancel the sound with any remote, with the button on the smoke alarm or in the app. And now that we have silenced the smoke alarms, it is time for the conclusion. The gateway is certainly a valuable addition and the app can provide you with all the information you need. I especially like the alerting and I think this could save lives. The only thing I miss is a Home Assistant integration so you can trigger actions on alerts. If you decide to buy some smoke alarms, use code LICKY15 to get 15% off. As always, thanks to my Patreons and WisuAlarm for sending me these smoke alarms. You could really help my channel out by leaving a like and subscribe or support me on Patreon. I thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next.